Make sure to wear the proper PPE when changing the FILTAIR 130 filter. And remember to read and follow all labels and the owner's manual. First, turn off the power and disconnect the input power. Then remove the latches from the top blower assembly of the FILTAIR 130. After removing the latches, remove the 6 wing nuts and washers for the filter. Next, open the latches from the dust tray. Remove the 6 washers using a flathead screwdriver. Remove the filter. Dispose of the particulate into a dustbin. Place the new filter into the cabinet and make sure to align the bolts into the holes. Then place the washers and wing nuts back onto the filter. Wipe down the gasket material with a dry rag. Place the filter cabinet back on the dust tray, ensuring it aligns, and put the latches back on. Lastly, place the blower assembly back on top of the filter cabinet, making sure it aligns, and put the latches back on. To learn more about Miller Fume Extractors, visit millerwelds.com/fume extraction.